Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Outlook and navigating straight to Settings, because that's where signatures live. Once you're in Mail, Compose and Reply, create a new signature and give it a clear name. This helps later when you manage multiple profiles. Paste your essential contact details first: name, title, phone, and primary link, so you have a reliable base. Make sure to pick whether this goes into new messages and replies. That choice controls how often recipients see it. Now you refine appearance and function, because presentation builds trust. Use the editor to set a clean font, readable size, and one accent color. Keep hierarchy with bold name and normal job title. Once done, insert a small logo, host it online or upload under about 100 KB to avoid delivery issues. Then add clickable social icons and link them directly. Finally, include a short disclaimer or pronoun line if needed. This clarifies tone and reduces follow-up questions. Finish by assigning your signature to new messages and to replies or forwards so you don't forget it. Then save settings immediately. You should always test. Send to your work and personal accounts and view in web, desktop, and mobile clients to confirm layout and links. If images don't show, switch to hosted HTTPS images or optimize size and format. This usually fixes broken images. If links fail, check for extra spaces and reinsert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.